Everybody, and welcome back to Fratini's channel. Today I'm back with you with yet another unboxing. This time this is a rather large painting. I know I said I wasn't going to order any big paintings anymore, but yeah, that didn't go so well. So this is quite a large painting. This is from the Colorwhisper store. Now I have ordered a painting from them before and I didn't have any problems with this seller, so I figured I would try them out again. So I think this is this is from the Colorwhisper store. Let me just get my information out. This is from the Colorwhisper store. It cost £20 and 2p. I ordered it on the 14th of September. It was dispatched on the 17th of December and it was delivered on the 28th of September. So in total it took 14 days. So that's not too bad. Much quicker than Huracan have been recently. The outer packaging, it looks a little bit squished here, but that's the norm really. I've noticed with the outer boxes, but hopefully it's wrapped around a foam core, so we shouldn't have any major problems with the canvas, hopefully. Oops. I just need to make a few snips. And there we go. This actually looks like one of the boxes that I've had a Zooey Star painting in. I've had some Zooey Star painting in exactly this same style box. It says diamond painting on it. As you can see, it's a little bit squished towards this end. It's a little bit buckled in the middle. It does look a little bit, but it's a 50 by 70, and that is the picture. That's Alice in some teacups. And if you can see that, because I think it's trying to focus on something else. There we go. It's Alice lying in some teacups, and we've got the Cheshire Cat here, and some other little teacups. So let's check it out. So this is a little bit bigger than what I have been ordering in recent times, but I figured because there was a lot of detail on the cups, I thought I would order something a little bit bigger just so I could get the detail. So here is the canvas. It's wrapped around in a foam core, which is good. And all my days, look at all those diamonds. And it looks like someone has done the inventory already. I can see a few loose beads there. Well, a loose bead. Okay. So we'll check out the diamonds in a minute. Let me just check. Okay, the box is now empty. We've got the toolkit. We've got a pink pen with a 6-tip drill placer, a sheet of wax, and tweezers, the bendy tweezers, and a green tray with a cutout. And separate to that, they've sent us a few little baggies. Not many, but a few. These look like they're the proper flimsy ones, but they're baggies all the same. Right, let me just move the diamonds to one side for a second. So this is a 50 by 70. It looks a little bit dented here, right in the middle of the canvas, unfortunately, but hopefully that's not damaged the canvas too much. So there's a bit of tape that I always seem to struggle getting off. And then when I do get it off, it sticks to my fingers and it won't let go. Oh my god, let go. Jeez. Let's get this one off. Looks like they've gone round this one twice. Just to make sure, so I think I'm going to have to get the scissors. There's another one here. So they've held the roll together with tape, a lot of tape. A serious amount of tape. Jeez. They don't want you to get in this, do they? And I don't like cutting it because I'm frightened of damaging the canvas. Holy moly, come on. This tape is so sticky, it's actually welded itself to the edge of the canvas. And it's making the canvas fray. Okay, I can't get this off. Grrr. They're not wanting me to get into this one. So we've got that side off. There's another section here. They've put more tape here. Is my video doing a lot of freezing? I think my computer's doing updates or something, and it's making my video freeze. It's making my video freeze. Whatever my computer's doing, it's making the video freeze, so I'm so sorry. I think my computer might be downloading updates or something, and it's making the my video software freeze up. Right, are we good again now? We might be okay for now. I'm so sorry about that. So we're still trying to get into the canvas because I can't get the tape off. It is like sealed proper tight with the tape. I just cannot get into it. And I don't want to go too deep with the scissors because I don't want to damage the canvas. Okay, and then we've just got another one here. This is just way too much tape. They've proper gone overboard. More tape here. Oh my god. Come on. And yet even more tape at the end. They've literally put, it seems like they've put an entire roll of blinking sellotape on it. Anybody needs any sellotape, just come to me. I've got tons. Okay. Oh, God. And there's more here. Right. I think we're in. Finally. Jeez. So, it's wrapped around a foam core. Hopefully my video has stopped freezing up now. And my computer has stopped doing whatever it was doing. Wow, this is huge. Foam core. This is massive. Okay, so the canvas obviously goes this way around. There's a picture of the thumbnail, if you can. Oh, here's a picture of the thumbnail. Don't know if you can work that out from where your camera view is. I just want to check the canvas. It doesn't look like there's going to be any problems with the canvas. It looks like there might be a little bit of crease in there. But when we can get into it, let's check out this side first. I think that's going to be the easiest option. Okay, can't peel the end off. Okay, it's nice and sticky. It's all in one complete sheet. So I am bound to rip this. It's just waiting to happen, you can tell, can't you? Right, let me see if I can put the canvas this way around. It might work better this way. This is super sticky, it doesn't want to let go. There's a very, very thick layer of glue. Very, very thick. Okay, so there's her face. Oh my god, look at all this. Holy moly. What colour is that? It's like a no entry symbol. Can you see that? Can just about make out what it is. It's like a no entry symbol, and that is 153. There is a lot. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not going to be able to roll it forward I'm not going to be able to unroll it any further than I have. Because it's just so intent on rolling back up on itself. But that is like super pretty though. That's going to look amazing when it's done. Look at all these bright colours here. All this very, very bright orange, dark pinks. I'm not sure about the patterns on the cups though, however, but then from a distance you can just about make it out, because that looks like one of the cups. So we can see Alice. She looks pretty detailed. We can see her eyes. I don't think there's much detail on her eyes. We can see the outline of her arms and her hand. We can see where she's lying down with a dress. We can see the handles quite clearly of the cups. There is an absolute ton of 153. She is going to be amazing to work on. I say that about all my paintings, but she's going to look super cool when she's done. Right, let me just have a quick look at this side. I'm not going to be able to unravel it the entire way because she's just too big to fit on my desk right now. Okay, there's a few like dirty marks. Can you see? I don't know if that's like a finger mark or something, like a dirty finger mark on the edge of the canvas. It's like ink. Right, let's have a look. So this is going to be the bottom of the cups. So what you can... Oh, I knew that was going to happen. I ripped it. You just knew that was going to happen. This is why I don't like complete sheets. I like to have them cut into sections. Oh, I've ripped it even more. Oh my god. Let me... There we go. Okay. We've got it. Okay, let's try a little bit more. This is like super sticky. It's resisting peeling back off the canvas. This sheet is. I'm sorry, all you can see is my arm. Okay, I daren't. Oh my god, that is so sticky. Right, I daren't peel it back any further than that. But there is the bottom of the cups. Let me see if I can turn it around. So you can just about make out, hopefully, the bottom 3 cups. So you've got the Cheshire Cat here with his huge grin. I think she's on top of 3 or 4 cups. So it is hugely detailed. So I think I did the right thing by ordering bigger rather than smaller. There is a lot of this 153. So there's going to be a lot of this plain background. I'm not sure why. Like every so often here, there's like lots and lots and lots of the one colour, if you can make it out. And then here, you've got the odd F symbol. And you've got it a little bit further down as well. And like a percent symbol there. So I don't know why that is, because it's all one colour. According to the thumbnail anyway. Right, I'm going to try and turn it back this way. Oh dear. She is huge. And I'm going to try and stick the cover back down. She is going to be fantastic to work on. Absolutely fantastic. I know I say this about every single painting that I unbox, but I am so looking forward to working on this one. I really am. Okay. So at least we've got the canvas straightened out. So this is massive though, 50 by 70. She's absolutely huge. Right, I'm going to put her to one side for a second. Let me just... Right, I've just moved her onto another chair for the moment so I can have a quick look at the diamonds. Okay, here are the beads. We do get an inventory sheet. Okay, we've got a little pink one there. I'm just going to put that to one side. Okay, and here's the sheet. Got the quality stamp on it, number 22. Everything has all been ticked off. Oh wow, 32,413 of 153. Holy moly. They've made some manual note there, 3837-1. 3837-1. They've put that there, so they must have been missing a bag. Let's have a look, shall we? Let's have a look at the diamonds. Oh wow, I think there is a loose bag because there's a few 2 or 3 pink ones here that are loose. I'm just going to put them to one side for a minute. Looks like it's all come from one bag. Some more here. It looks like one of the bags may have split. It looks like it might be this one, 153. Can't be sure though. So let me do a quick inventory then. Let me just get a pen. So there are in this painting how many colours? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 colours. I think that might be coming close to the largest number of colours I've had in a single diamond painting. I think the closest I've had is 51. So we've got a huge amount of 153. An absolute, oh, my computer's freezing up again. Absolute huge amount of 153. I don't know why my computer's doing this, guys. All I can do is apologise. I have absolutely no idea why it keeps freezing up. I think my computer must be doing an update or something. My computer is not supposed to do these kind of things when when it knows the machine's in use. So why it's doing this, I don't know. So I'm so sorry. So there's some more 153 there. There's lots of 153. Okay, let's start with, I'm going to do the inventory as we go. So we've got 824. We've got 2 of. Now I'm going to make a note of putting the ticks on the left hand side this time, because I made a bit of an error the last time I did an unboxing, and I didn't think that, I thought I was missing a couple of bags, but I wasn't. It was because I put the tick in the wrong place. So 824, we've got a check mark there. 809, this is square diamonds, by the way. 809, we should have 2 bags, so yeah. 3727, 2 bags, yeah. 890, 2 bags. We've got, what we've got here, 550, 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. 3861, 2 bags. 823, 2 bags. 159, just 1 bag of 159. 762, 3 bags. 564, 4 bags. 562, 3 bags. I'm so annoyed at this freezing business. I don't know why my computer is doing this. I'm so sorry, honestly. I'm so annoyed with the fact that my computer has decided that whatever it's doing is more important than what I want to do. So I'm like mega annoyed with it, and I'm really to the point where I just feel like I want to stop this video because it's just ridiculous, but I don't want to stop now. I've got so far. 917, 2 bags. 153, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of 153. Oh, wait a minute, that's all the one colour. I thought that was a little bit odd. 838, 3 bags. 3837. Right, we'll leave that to one side because we're 1 bag short. 3835, 3 bags. 3072, 4 bags. 415, 3 bags. 436, 3 bags. Which one's this? This doesn't have a... Is that the same as this one? 3837, I think. Yeah, so these are the same, 3837. We've got 2 bags. 554, 6 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of 554. Um, 413, 1, 2, 3, 4 of 413. 3750, 1 bag. 321, 3. Oh, 1 little bag of 3865. Yep. 434, 2 bags. Again, I'm so sorry guys for the freezing in the video. I'm just so annoyed. 3607, 3 bags. But this is Windows for you, I guess. Does what it pleases, regardless of what you tell it to do. 318, 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of 318. 799, 2 bags. 792, 1 bag. 933, oh, 993, I do apologise, 2 bags. 964, 3 bags. That's a nice colour. 3805, 2 bags. 208, 2 bags. 1693, 3806, 2. 601, 1. 718, 2. 647, 2. 315, 3. 745, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 745. Yep. Looking good. 819, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of 819. Yep. 3608 4, yep, 36084 3756 12345 154 12345 of 154. Right, what colour is this? I just found another loose bead, which must be from the 153. There must be a loose bag. What colour is this? Can't work this one out. 310. Should have 16 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 of 310. And we have all the other colours. All we're left, we should have 163 bags of 153. So, we've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 28, 29, 30, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So how many do we need? 163. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 1, 2, 3. So we got 163 bags of 153. And everything is all checked off. Everything is all checked off. And there's a closer look at the symbols. 32,413 of 153. There we go. Everything is all there. I didn't discover this missing this open bag of 153. But I'm going to keep these to one side. But, yes, we've got quite a few 153s. So everything is all there. The canvas is in good condition, considering it looked a little bit squished before when I opened it. The seller, they've sent an inventory sheet. The diamonds appear to be in good condition. All the diamonds are all there. We've got the inventory sheet. Everything else seems all in order. So this again is from the Colorwhisper store, and it's a 50 by 70 full square drill diamond painting. And there, just to show you again quickly, is the thumbnail. of Alice in Wonderland in some teacups. Now looking closely here, you can just about make out the detail on this picture on the cups, and I think that I'm gonna get a good decent amount of detail from this size canvas as well. So hopefully it's gonna look really cool when it's done. I'm sure it will. There's so many 153s though. If it's not 310 that I'm going to get sick of, it's going to be 153. But at least it's a nice bright colour as opposed to 310 or 939. 310, there's only 3,086 310s. There isn't any 939s. So the second largest number of colour in this is the 310s with 16 bags, and then we've got 163 bags of 153, and everything else has just got 4 or 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. So everything is there. So once again, I want to apologise for the issues with the freezing on this video. My computer clearly thought that what it was doing was more important than what I was doing. So of course it's taken a huge chunk out of my my CPU usage, which caused my video to freeze in certain places. Thankfully it hasn't froze for the entirety of the video, otherwise I would have been super annoyed. So I am really sorry that happened. I could have stopped the video and restarted it, but I felt that I was already halfway through it anyway, and I didn't want to start again. So yeah, I am sorry if it annoyed anybody. I will give my computer a telling off and tell it not to do it again. But thank you for watching this video, everybody. Just an update, there may not be a live stream on Monday. I've got a few IRL things that I need to take care of on Monday, which may mean that I won't be able to do a live stream. If I can't live stream on Monday, I will do my very best to live stream on Tuesday. There won't be one on Wednesday because I'm working late on Wednesday, so I'm not going to be home till quite late evening, so Wednesday's out of the window. So if it's not going to be Monday, if it's not going to be Monday, I will try my very best for Tuesday, and then we'll do our next one again on the Friday. So thank you for watching, everybody. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Even though there was a lot of issues this time, I'm sorry, but please do give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you click the subscribe button, which is somewhere down here, and the little bell that's right next to it, and that way you will get notified every time that I upload a video or go live. So thank you for watching. Have an awesome weekend. I shall see you all soon. Happy diamond painting and have fun. Take care, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.